Good everyone, today is May 31 and for our daily devotion, our topic is entitled Modern Day Mordecai. Our verse is Esther 3:1-6. Humans plot to destroy the Jews. After this event, King Xerxes honored Haman, son of Hammedatha the Agagite, elevating him and giving him seat of honor higher than that of all the other nobles. All the royal officials at the king's gate kneeled down and paid honor to Haman, for the king had commanded concerning him. But Mordecai would not kneel down or pay him honor. When the official at the king's gates asked Mordecai, "Why do you disobey the king's command?" Day after day spoke to him, but he refused to comply. Therefore they told Haman about it to see whether Mordecai's behavior would be tolerated, for he had told them he was a Jew. When Haman saw that Mordecai would kneel down or pay him honor, he was enraged. But having learned who Mordecai people is, he saw the idea of killing only Mordecai, and sent Haman look for a way to destroy all Mordecai people, the Jews, through the whole kingdom of Xerxes. Our teaching, Christian will live out his true identity. If you're truly a Christian, you will be like a Mordecai. You will not let others dictate your decision, your own choice. Who would you sino yung sasambahin mo? Christian who lives out his true identity. He lives out to be a Jews, but to be other people who hate the Jews. Christian who is loyal to God alone, because Mordecai is loyal to God, and he did not allow other people to dictate his own fate on him. A Christian fights the battle in God's court. He fights his own battle to keep on fighting for what he believes or what he desires, and not let others dictate his own fate on others. Our application increase our identity. Focus increase that we are Christian and don't let others to change our own perception because they have different beliefs. Let your absolute allegiance to God. We must say to everyone that we are a child of God, that we believe in Jesus Christ, and no one could change them. Fight harder in God's way. Let's fight harder. Let's keep faithful. Let's be full